Hello again, friends. A new project for today. In fact, I've been asked if MiDJ Pro is capable of scrolling text and how to do that. You know, it's really nice to have songs with automatic text scrolling, so you don't need the tablet or a copybook or anything else on the stage. For the beginning, let me show you what kind of application or text editor I'm using for having exactly the right amount of the writings in each page. You see, the text on MiDJ will scrolling page by page, or showing, better said, page by page. So we have a certain limit of characters and lines on each page. Let me show you. Here we have PSPad free editor. You can download it from the address here, www.pspad.com. It's Jan Fiala, I see here. Good job, Jan. That's the text editor. Why? Because as you can see there, we have numbers and these are the lines, and also we have here the number of characters per page. As I found, MiDJ Pro doesn't support more than 29 characters per line. So what can we do in this case? Very simple. Let's start with the song name. Let's say already have a line, then probably G major with E minor. Let's say that's no kind of indication for 120 beats per minute, and you can write all kind of information you need. Folk style, let's say. You see my limit, it's here connected already at 29 characters, and I have a clue how long the line should be. Okay, let's go further. Remember, we only have 29 characters per line, only 9 lines per page. Very important. Okay, so let's say this is the beginning of the text. Then we scroll down, line 9, it's in the air. We start again with 10. So here, let's say we have strophe 1. If you like, you can have this on line number 1 preparing for the next page. Let me ask ChatGPT to write me a poem. Beautiful. We have a text here about winter developed by ChatGPT. Okay, so we have strophe 1 there. Of course, we get rid of all the other stuffs. As you can see, we can fit, this one fits perfect, but the other guys are getting more than 29 characters here, so we have to trick the system and we get rid of the comma to be sure that it's not more than 29, because so if we have more than 29 characters like we have here, then we'll report to the next line. Okay, so here we have 4, it's very nice. Then we have a space, that's perfect. We can get rid of that space if you like. And then footstep crunch, this will move to the next line. And as you can see, we fit perfect in 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Then we start again with the next strophe. Let's call it 2. Oh, we are already going too far, but we get rid of the comma. And we have the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is perfect, except this we have to getting into the next line, and put these things together. And from here, from 10 to 18, we have the first two strophes. So in fact here it's number 3 if we take it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have number 4. Okay, the special character will go out. And then from 19 we got 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from 23 we got number 4. Okay, so this is the text we need to implement into MiDJ. So I'm gonna save this as test in Ketron test text. It had to be with exactly the same name like the MIDI file. And here we have the device. There we are. We can disconnect MiDJ from the computer and okay, so we got the text inside the machine. We can simply take a look to see if we have the right characters and the right configuration. So this is the intro page, let's call it number 1, with the information about the song and turning the wheel. We have the first verse, the second, and the next page, of course, number 3, number 4, and the end. Okay, so now let's synchronize this with the song. All right, we push play on the MIDI file, then we push record. That's the intro of the song, of course. Read the information and get ready to get to the next page. There we go. Cold winds whisper low, softly drifting white snow. Frosty trees stand so tall, icy chills touch us all. Yeah. Verse 2. Silent nights shining bright, stars glow with silver light. Footsteps crunch on the ground. Snowflakes dance all around. Let's go to the next page. Turn the wheel. Frozen lakes, still and deep. Dreams of warm as we sleep. Cozy fires burning high. Smoke curls into the sky. And here we have the chorus. Winter's beauty so grand, sparkling across the land. Though it's cold, hearts are warm. Love and joy are the norm. Winter's beauty. And we have the instrumental, of course, and so on. Okay, so we can go to the next, which, by the way, it's the end of the text. And now let's consider the MIDI file just stopped. It's at the end, or stop it by your wheel, but just let it run to the end. And then when it stops, we have this on the screen. Test text has been synchronized with the song. Do you want to save it? Yes. Okay, so the text is synchronized and it's saved into the machine. Let's see what's happening if we roll the MIDI file. Intro. Look, no hands. Verse 1. Cold winds whisper low, softly drifting white snow. Frosty trees stand so tall, icy chill touches soul. Okay, something. I'm composing. Verse 2. Silent night, shining bright, Stars glow with the silver light. Footsteps crunch on the ground. Snowflakes dance all around. Next page. That's it. Frozen lake still and deep. The drinks are warm as we sleep. Cozy fires burning high. Smoke curls into the sky. Winter's beating so grand, sparkling across the land. Thought it's calm, hearts are warm. Love and joy are the norm. Winter's beauty, and so on. So I have the instrumental and the next verse. Of course I stop it here and go. That's it. So I hope you understood the system. You see, you can go to maximum 30 characters. Usually I'm using 29 to be sure that it's not overlapping or, you know, reporting to the next line, because all the text then it's going out of tune. Okay, that's it for today. I hope this is useful for you Ketron owners. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Push the like button, doesn't hurt you. I'm waiting your comments too. Thanks to my sponsors Radu G, Vlad from Ampere Records, and of course Jack. And until the next one, wish you well, and don't forget, have fun. See you. Bye bye.